What if you could take your phone right now and you would swipe left and you'll make $50 repeatedly every single time? So look at the site here. This is it. I really want to get right into it if you don't mind. Smash the like button if you don't mind if I'm just blunt and direct and just show you how every time you swipe on your iPhone, you earn money, and this also works on other phones as well. Now listen, this is something that's brand new. Many people don't know about this site until now. So listen, this is Wesley billion dollar virgin. I know, you thought I forgot. I'm under the weather right now, but I had to get this video posted here because this new site here in 2022 will help you make money online just by swiping, playing games, and I'm going to show you undeniable proof here. So basically, you're going to make money online, as you can see here, on your phone, computer, tablet, get paid wherever you are. And guess what? Listen up, $0. You don't have to spend any cash, any money at all. As a matter of fact, it is worldwide. Let's get it. So first step is this. Can we just get right into it? Registration, okay? Let's log in for a second here. You want to basically create an account to start earning money. So what I like to do, I like to use my Google account. You could use your email, your password. You could use Microsoft. It's up to you. I'm going to go ahead and log in here, okay? And smash the like button if you're really excited to make money with your phone. If it's in your hand right now, I want you to smash the like button or comment below. Say, Wesley, I got it in my hand, and I'm ready to make this money. So pay close attention. Don't speed through the video. Be smart, right? Take your time, listen to everything to the very end, and you'll find yourself cashing in and making more money than ever before. Okay, so look, sign up here. I'm sorry, guys. My throat. I'm in Houston, Texas, and it's cold. It's freezing outside. I'm chilly. So let me log in here. Okay, give me a second here. Log in, and that's what you want to do. Create a free account here. You can use your Google account. And this is how a brand new account looks, okay? And this is where your earnings are right here. And the first step, you have to make sure you go to settings, or billing, I'm sorry. Because you want to make sure you get paid. Because people ask me all the time, how do you get paid? So you need to make sure you add a payment method, okay? Add a payment method. They're going to pay you your first $10 once you hit the payment threshold of 10. But like I said, we're going to swipe every single time, get paid $50, $80, and listen, you can make more money. And I'm going to show you how to basically monetize this and duplicate the results. But this is just to get you started. Now listen, this is not here to make you rich. You're not going to be rich. I'm trying to get you to the point that you can leave your job and you can make enough money that you can build your online business at home. Does that make sense? Job is for the birds. Smash the like button if you agree. Like, seriously. Job is for the birds. No one should be working a job if you don't want to. So listen here, if you click on, once you put your payment account here, and it's PayPal, Venmo, Bitcoin, your bank account, hook that up. You want to go to earn, okay? You want to make sure you do that first because when you click on earn, now it's time to start earning money. Now, what I like to do, I like to play games. And with these games, all you do is swipe and you just basically make money over and over again. As a matter of fact, I have a group right now that I teach, and I gave them this technique, and they're paying me $1,000 a month every month to give them 5 ways to make money so they can make $5,000 a month. So they spend $1,000 with me, and basically they make $5,000. So check it out. I have kids doing this. I like Tapjoy, but listen, I must warn you, you gotta have App Store, you gotta have an iPhone, or you can do it on your laptop with Google Play, right? It's up to you. Android and iOS. You download it to your phone and you start playing, and then you link it up to your Zareclammy account here, and then you're good to go. Oh, I forgot to tell you. Yeah, the name of the site is Zareclammy.com. You see it right there? Zareclammy.com. Go there now. The second one I like to use, and with all these games, you just play them and you just swipe. That's all you do with your iPhone. I do it sometimes if I'm bored. I give it to my children, my kids. My son, he loves the Xbox, PlayStation. I said, boy, make money. Stop wasting your mind and your activities just playing Xbox and PlayStation. And here it's going to pay you every time you swipe with the game here. So they're doing pretty well with that. And listen, let me show you another way. When you click on earn here, you can also make money. What I like to do, watch videos. Now look, imagine watching a video like this, right? Look at that.
You guys like my energy?
See, look, that's me, that's Wesley Virgin. You're watching this video and getting paid. Listen, even watching this YouTube video right now, you should be getting paid. Where you can do that with Zara Clammy, basically to swipe to get paid over and over again. So you click on earn here to watch videos here. And the great thing about this site that many sites don't do, it gives you different options to make double the money that I'm going to show you in the next 30 seconds while you watch this video right now. Unity, again, just download it to your phone. The reason why they give you an app, because most people use their phones. Smash the like button if right now you're watching this video on the phone. I know you are, right now with your clammy hands, because people spend so much time with their phones, and they like pictures, they like videos, they watch videos. So listen, watch and get paid. So this is what does it. And the last way is the referral program here. This is the link. This is my link. So anytime you want to make money, if you send this to someone, like your friend, teenagers, it don't matter. You get $10 every time you send the link to someone, and they just basically get their first payout. You make $10 every single time you send this link. Because listen, when you start to make money, well, guess what? Every other person wants to make money. Does that make sense? Smash the like button if that made perfect sense to you, if you're going to do this now. Now, listen, I know it's some young person or some older person right now that's listening to this video and say, okay, Wes, that sounds cool, but is it a faster way? Can you mentor me? How many of you want to be mentored by me? Smash the like button. Be honest. And listen, I'm just a regular, humble guy. I'm rich, whatever. But I'm here to help. I'm here to help people who want to be helped. So comment below if you want mentorship. This is what I'm going to do. Usually I charge $1,000 per month, which is super cheap, super inexpensive to work with me. But I understand you ain't got the money, big head. I love you, right? But let me give you another opportunity. If you look in the description below, there's a link to everything I just showed you. But this piece of software, when you swipe, you make up to $143 per hour just swiping, but the software does it for you. It really does. And that software right now is about $1,000. But what I'm going to do for the first 10 people, I do 10 people per month because I know the guy that programmed the software is super smart. He used to work for Google. Right now, if you get this, you can have it for $17. $17, first 10 people that take their mouse, take their finger, and click in the description under this video. You'll see the link. You click there. If the link works, you're in. If it doesn't work, that means you're just too late. You have to wait 30 days until the first 10 is active again. Or you can just pay $1,000 a month, which a lot of people are paying. Listen, I want to give you one opportunity to change your entire life financially by using artificial intelligence. Imagine just swiping and putting details into a software. Shows you it's so simple, a third grader can do it. My children does it. And you'll make money, $200, $300 every single day. That's $9,000 per month by sitting on your couch looking at other people go to work. So like I said before, the first 10 people right now that click that link below, you probably already did it. If you're on the page, great. It's only $17. Get started. Listen, your life is about to change if you're ready to change your life. If not, I'll see you soon on the next video. This is Wesley $1 Billion Virgin. Thanks for the love. Thanks for smashing the like button. I'll see you soon. Let's go.